Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. You've just seen me manhandle a large pallet into shots. If you follow my channel, you'll know that I'm converting this garage into guest accommodation. And recently I had a lot of insulation delivered. You can see it there behind me. And it's left me with this huge pallet. Have you seen the price of timber lately? It's quite expensive actually, and there's a lot of very good timber in this pallet. And not only that, timber is a great store of carbon, and I would hate this to either get burned or go into landfill. So it got me thinking, what could I do with this pallet to either repurpose it or uppurpose it or upcycle it so that it's got a second use. Now, I've come up with several ideas what I think I could make with this, but what would you do with it? So I want your help. I'm going to explain my ideas for this pallet, and you can give me your ideas in the comments box below this video. And who knows, depending on what you say and what you come up with, I might go with one of yours, or I might go with one of the three that I'm going to describe to you in a moment. Let me know what you would prefer to see me make, or give me some ideas of your own. So let me give you an outline of the three ideas that I've come up with, and I'm going to get a great big piece of cardboard and draw them for you. So, in the spirit of true sustainability, I'm going to give this cardboard a second use to draw my three ideas. I'm going to call them option A, B and C. You'll see in a moment. Of course, there might be an option D, which you can add to the list. Let's start over here with option A. And my option A is to cut this up into thin strips and make a garden obelisk. And I hope you can see that, but it would have vertical pieces coming down and horizontal pieces, and then I could paint it and I could stand it in the garden and grow something up it, possibly even put some kind of spike on the top. So that's option A, a garden obelisk. My option B is a raised bed. That's the pallet. What if I divide it into 4 strips and cut one of those strips in half, and I could make a rectangular raised bed like that. Possibly grow some cut flowers or some vegetables or a wildflower meadow in it. So that's option B, a raised bed. And now finally, my option C is a hedgehog house. Let me try and draw this. So it would consist of a box and then a tunnel for the hedgehogs to enter through, and that would be option C, a hedgehog house. Now, you know, if you follow my channel, that I love my wildlife, and I do have hedgehogs in my garden. This is something I've been meaning to do for a while, a hedgehog house. So that's option C. So there you go. My 3 options, or potential options, for repurposing or recycling or upcycling this old pallet. What would you prefer to see me make with it? Would it be option A, a garden obelisk, or possibly 2 garden obelisks? Option B, a raised bed, or option C, a hedgehog house, or perhaps option D, your idea. What would you do with it? Answers on a postcard. Please let me know in the comments box below this video, and in about 2 weeks' time I will fulfill my instructions and build something with this pallet. And that means that we've locked on all this carbon into this wood. We've reused and repurposed something that might well have gone into landfill or on a skip or been burnt, worse still, and released all that carbon into the atmosphere. And I'll be able to enjoy seeing this in my garden and sharing it with you for years to come. Hope you've enjoyed that. Hope you found it interesting. Get involved. enter the conversation. Let me know in the description box below this video. I'll see you soon for some more house and garden repurposing adventures. Bye for now.